And at the doorway smell nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're staying.
Finally.
We're staying at our premium Airbnb. Right, Kyrie?
Right, Kyrie?
Right, Kyrie?
Right, Kyrie?
We're going in. We're going in. Yeah. Let me turn the light on. Let me turn on the light on the patio. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on the light. Where am I? Bum. Turn the light on. We're on patio. I look for patio. Bam. Alright, so patio. Light on for the patio now. Alright.
And then we get closer, so you know the light outside get brighter.
Yeah.
Nice feature, right?
Alright, yeah.
So if you're coming in at night, you won't come in darkness at all.
Yeah.
Because this light will automatically get brighter and you know, guide you on in. And it looks so nice from the night. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys were like here in Porto so you can see how nice it looks. It's shot.
So we need to unload the vehicle.
Yes.
Alright.
Y'all need to unload the vehicle.
So Jay, now help me.
Okay, yeah.
Go, two more back there in the car. Go on.
Daddy, yeah.
Come into the shop.
See me, huh? Yeah. What you say, Jay?
Today we're doing a video. Me and Cassandra was doing
About?
I don't know what it's called, but it's the shredder thing.
Oh, you were finishing up that video. Okay, yeah. So Timu. So we were finishing the Timu video.
Yeah.
We collaborated with Timu. All right. So go and get the bags, Jay. Go and get the bags, man.
Guys, we don't know.
Hello. Hello.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the rest of the afternoon,
Yes.
Adrian and Jaden are gonna be working.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
So the workhorse has retired for the afternoon.
Take your time, Jay. Jeez, look at him.
Oh, this box
Him can't stuff it up. And, come, Jay. One bag, one at a one at a time. Come. Jeez and please watch him. Jaden. Jay, I'm moving.
Do you carry everything at once?
Jesus Christ.
You know, see, it's true. Anytime him to take 2 trips, he must say, no, I'm gonna do it. Him not like take 2 trips. But look at the place, guys.
Yeah.
This is our stay, yes.
Our staycation.
Yes.
Our staycation. Yeah. So we're home. Right, Kyrie?
I want you guys to see Kyrie's smile. Kyrie has one of the most beautiful smiles. Like
Trust me.
When he smiles from here, it's just so awesome. Smile.
We're gonna get settled on food time too. Yeah. Of course.
Time.
Of course.
Where do you do the food, Adrian?
Where you put it? Oh, the bag is in the car. Alright, let me go get that. Alright, hold the camera, babe. Let me go get that. Turn that down, Jay.
Okay, guys, so we're finally staying. Like, I have all this here. Sometimes when I always try to put it up with something because when all the air is out loose like that, it's like sometimes it just looks crazy. But we are here and Kyrie is back to his usual business. Hello, Kyrie. Hello. How are you? How are you? Guys, we officially got Kyrie's school report today for his first term at school. A bright boy.
Yeah.
Kyrie, a bright boy. Did you see Kyrie's school report?
No?
Oh my god, we're gonna have to show you it. So we got 2 bright boys, alright? Kyrie's school report just shot his first term in school and like I feel like someone to like frame it and put it up like he's one. Like why is he getting a school report already though? Yeah.
I think I did good in this term.
You did?
Because in the last terms, in the last grade terms, I don't normally do very good in it. But
really? But you always do very well.
Yes, but not to my standards.
So you think that you're closer to your standard this term?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Well, I can't wait to see that school report. Can't wait to see that school report. Babe, are you making dinner?
Just unpack the bags, man. Yeah.
You're not making dinner?
Oh yeah, we can. Alrighty. And I'll clear up the counter and stuff like that.
Trying to get into
Where's this purple? What is this purple stuff? What's
That's
that?
vegetable. I already made it dinner. I'm seriously, I'm not sharing, I'm not doing nothing. Adrian, I made vegetables. All Adrian needs to do is hot, warm the food. Oh, I think you might need more spaghetti.
Okay.
So you can cook spaghetti?
Cook spaghetti. Okay.
You can do it?
Why not?
Alright, let's
Kyrie
do it.
gone.
Kyrie gone
Yeah,
where?
have a vacation home.
Where's Kyrie? Kyrie?
Hey, Pitney.
Alright, let's close the door. Guys, let me just tell you how safe our Airbnb is. So our community is super safe. It's gated and it's nice, it's warm, it's quiet, and it is just safe. Like, you don't have to worry about stuff. We don't find ourselves worrying about, oh my god, he's outside, oh my god, he's... No, you can just chillax and relax at our Airbnb. And I'm on vacation. I'm done working. Like, out there, you see him? You might forgot to add up the food, share it out, cook more spaghetti. Alright, you might go do all that. Cause me and Kyrie time. My little baby in Pampers. Anytime Adrian gets Kyrie ready or is doing something with Kyrie is either naked or half naked. I'm serious, look at him. He doesn't have any pants on, no pants, no shorts, just diaper. And if it was on a regular day, he wouldn't have on any shirt either. Alright? So he would be only diaper in the house. That's what Adrian does.
Yeah.
Okay? If Adrian gives Kyrie a bath, he just puts on diaper. So that's where he stops.
AC, watch him now.
Hot.
You hot? Okay. Careful.
Them two boy I love ACC.
This one now. There we go.
Mr. Dog,
Yeah,
right?
there we go.
There we go. We got the stove on.
Remember, we turn on this thing.
Let me see. I'm not gonna give you any instructions. Let me see all this.
Instruction. Oh, I'm telling you. That's a boy like a spaghetti.
Alright, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see.
Can that hard, right? Can it be?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see.
Kyrie. Hey. Oh God.
Kyrie used to love being up here because you would find everything. You would find every little thing that is lying around the place, the workman stuff, and he loves to play with it. Jaden loves this. This is Jaden. Only if Kyrie's gonna be like that someday. Watch him. This is what he loves. This is what he loves. Go around here, my friend. Come on, you sleep tonight. Alright, so we got to put these stuff in the fridge. So I brought stuff for breakfast in the morning. Baby, I made breakfast too?
I guess. No, you make breakfast.
I made dinner.
Guys, overnight food shut up, we made dinner, you know.
I made it though. Let me make Kyrie some milk. Right, I'm sorry, come. Alright. Thank you. Say thank you, Kyrie. Say thank you. Sometimes he say thank you, sometimes he doesn't. Listen, boy. Thank you all the time, alright? You guys, so Kyrie is fed. See Adrian gone and see there? He left the little spaghetti. The one little task him supposed to do. Make little spaghetti and share your food. And he can't leave it, you know. You want to say me I forgot to eat? You want to bet? Yeah? So Kyrie is having his formula. Kyrie is 1 year and 9 months, and he still has formula. So he doesn't get any. I'm not drink Glasgow on him something. He get him formula because that's one of the things that really helps to push and ensure that they're growing well, that they still have a balanced diet. Because sometimes him eat, sometimes him don't eat, sometimes him eat just a little toops of the food, So once he has his formula, he's still getting his nutrition. He's using Oligo Gold 3. So yeah, look at him. Look at his body. He got this habit of walking and drinking his milk like that when he goes to school. So I'm not getting back and he walk on the place and drinking. And he's starting to lose his diaper. A while ago I had to put on back his diaper a while ago because him take it off. Him take it off. Come babe. You don't walk a stove too much. Come.
So I like to take over my pot. Run around the house for a minute, come back, I see another pot. Eh? Kyrie, watch your little foot them. Watch your foot them.
Oh my god. That is so long. He's making me this.
Wow. Oh god. Yeah.
Y'all see how the counter space, it looks a mess. Asians catching everything. But yeah.
Never relax.
Me, I'm gonna relax. You have to continue your cooking. Yeah, guys. So you see what I'm right? Wow, what did I tell you? Like, so I bet something. But yeah, we are here. And of course, we're gonna bring any utensils from our home. So we're just depending on what we have here in the Airbnb. I like everything about the space, but like, duh, you put it together. Like, counter nice, don't be counter nice. You want to him there over there, so. Yeah, but him can't do anything because he's working. Like,
I'm working.
He's full of excuses. Where's Kyrie? Why am so far? So, yeah. Getting dinner ready. You want more than this, Jaden?
Oh, yeah. A little bit. Yeah.
Little bit more?
That's all.
You can eat all that?
Yes.
You sure? Yeah, well, yeah. So Jay, I'll leave half of the food there in the plate. Eh? Show them the plate. Show them how much food they say you want. Show them. Which one of them is yours? That one?
Yeah.
That's a lot. We're gonna see if we want to eat up all of that, alright? Yeah. So whose is that now? Who for that?
This is
Adrian. That one they look tall,
This is Adrian's food. Long belly.
Yeah. Ah, looking nice. Yeah. I like what I see.
Vegetables.
Yeah, veggies.
Our veggies.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a healthy meal, alright?
Nice.
Our vegetables.
Purple and pretty. Are you ready?
Daddy, you use them. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Alright, come, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10. What are them say at the end while I go wave? After I'm done count to 10.
5, 2, 2.
You want juice? Say please. Say please. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He sounds so cute.
There you go. There you go.
Careful there.
Thank you. Yeah. Let me just take that one here. What the rest of the juice, babe?
So that is the juice.
You done?
No, we can mix more. You want more?
Okay. You ready for food?
Come, Jaden, get veggies on the side.
Want carrots? Here you go. Here you go. Carrots. Oh, you like that? Huh? Oh, you like that? So Jay there. So Jay there and Cassie. If you never see Kyrie right now behind the camera, I'm gonna dry it out of my hand.
Trying to do his own video, innit?
Yeah, I tell you. Why we not like the light, you know, it's so nice.
Yeah, we can video without
Ring light and all of
ring
that.
light and all them stuff.
The lighting is
Wow.
so, you know.
I mean,
nice.
we are YouTubers, so if we didn't have good lighting, that what would we do? Oh, Kyrie plate needs some veggies. Oh, take time now, Kyrie. Kyrie, take time. You have to use this. Wait, hey. Hold on. Alright, let mommy control the cup, alright? Him can drink out of a regular glass, but according to the wine glass, he's like, let's stomp it.
Baby.
His dad taught him how to drink out of a cup. So he can actually do it himself. And when he's drinking out of a cup, him now I touch him. Like, let me be, that's what he said.
Alright, take Jaden clean the plate.
And this is a defining moment in the Pot family history,
I tell you.
where Jaden is attempting to clean his plate.
Him not attempt him do it.
He's cleaning his plate, yes.
You go on good, you go not, boy, you go not.
History. History has been created.
Jaden,
Daddy.
what you doing there? The one tablet. You cold.
Yes.
Oh my God. So you turn that AC and now you're on that sheet, eh? Look at you. Mommy
Guys.
cleaning the baby.
Kyrie took off his diaper. I found it right there in that spot. So we started potty training, and he is garnered the art of taking off his diaper, and he has potty down, but he doesn't know that when he goes on the potty, that's when he's supposed to do it. He still does it in his diaper.
Yeah, so
So
it's
we're-
like when after I'm done, do it him say want the potty, want the potty. But at least he's learning, eh? At least he might learn, Yeah.
Get in there. Off to bed? Come, let's say prayers. Come. Pray time, Kyrie. Pray. Pray, Kyrie. Pray, Kyrie. Pray, Kyrie. Come, pray. Pray. You want to like? Come, let's say prayers. Come. Let's pray. Come. Pray. Pray, Kyrie. Pray. Pray.
Come on, Kyrie.
Come on, Kyrie. Come. Jaden, look at Jaden. Look at Jaden. Pray. Pray. Good job.
Come
Good
on.
job.
Let's
Eyes
go.
closed. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth
As it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those. Did you now say to me? Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say good night.
You're not telling me bye.
Good night, Jaden.
Bye.
Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Hug Jaden. Hug Jaden.
Bonjour. Jay, school morning. Yep. Put your uniform on, dude. Can't late for school. Go for breakfast. What we got in?
Sausages and fried plantain and bread.
It's a sachets.
Sausages.
Long time we don't get plantain. Some fried nice fried plantain.
Yeah.
Long time. Hey boy.
Hello.
You want brush?
So we don't have any thing for our cheese, so Adrian went and got, what is that, Adrian? What's that?
I mean, I don't remember what kind of mint this, you know. But I mint.
Where'd you get it?
Around the back?
Around the back?
Yeah, around the back.
What, around the back?
Yes! Here we go. And just dry it in the cold water and just dry it. Alright, yeah, see it there? Everybody tea. Cats allowed me up. You know? My neighbor them plant it still, you know, and it come over our side, so why not? I like it, a nice mint, you know? Yay! Say morning. Say hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Say good morning.
It actually easy to catch, you know.
Yeah, you don't even say hi morning.
Yes.
Say it again, Kyrie. Say morning. Say good morning.
Him now say it again. Yeah, good morning. Say morning, good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Them are easy to catch, you know. You know, nice. And they bloom a purple flower. Right? I don't know the name of this kind of mint. You know, but them nice. Them nice. If you all know, if anybody know, can let us know in the comments what I mint your name. Yeah. Yeah. First time I'm gonna show you in this bathroom. Bathroom, yeah. Why is nice in here? It's nice in here.
Baby, face must wash too.
Your face must wash too? Okay. Yeah. Are you ready for work? Yeah, well, regular people now do them thing there, isn't it? Yeah. Ooh, it feels good. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. You want to have a shower? Kyrie, you want to have a shower? Huh?
So babe,
Yeah.
what was your first experience using that shower?
Nice.
That you built.
Nice, man.
Nice.
It's proper one.
First time.
First time.
Wow.
First time.
Wow,
Is it?
wow.
It's good. Yes, Kyrie?
Yes.
It bathed, right? Yes. Yeah, whatever that he's saying, I agree with him.
You sure?
Yeah.
Supposed to say my daddy don't know to bathe himself properly. He needs my mommy to bathe him. What's that?
Oh God. Hey guys, what's up? What's up?
Hey y'all, what's up?
Yeah, so we back home again after a long day, may I say? Back in the hotel room, yeah?
Let me tell you, alright, so let me give you a recap of what happened this afternoon. Jaden is all wrapped up cozy. He's not feeling too hot because he has a little ear infection, so
I feel really hot. Him have the fever. Him have the fever, you know, so him actually, him not feel too good. You see me?
So he's enjoying it from I'm just cozy under AC wrapped up kind of thing.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Kyrie, however, it's the complete opposite.
Man, I run around.
Kyrie's been going crazy. Like,
You don't see how him that one from last night?
well,
You see me?
If you think he was behaving bad last night, he just kind of
Turn it up a little bit. Yeah.
He was literally running, sprinting through here. I poor little Jaden, I've been at the room, go out the door because Kyrie was even on him.
Yeah, man, I ride it.
Kyrie is all up. I don't know where he got this energy from, but we can't keep up. As for the both of us, we did our whole work thingy that we gotta do because we're mature, grown people.
You see it? So we back.
We tired.
You know, in our crib, you know, we like it here. We really like it here. It's when I say we feel like when I move come down, you know.
He has mentioned that a few times, and I'm not rejecting the idea.
Yeah.
But
you know, this you a good vibe moving forward. You know, like we said, boy, we need to start our little thing. You know, our place, make our place really cozy and nice. Is it?
Plans are already in place. Like I tell you, we need to subscribe to our channel, you know.
Definitely.
Because if you don't subscribe, you're gonna be missing out on what we're doing. The Delpat family is always over here. 2023 is another year. We're on the grind. We're doing all that we need to do.
Yep.
But we've been enjoying the space. It's been a very eventful night. Sadly, we have not vlogged because we got a crazy 1 year and 9 months, and we got a 9-year-old that's just like, I just want to be rested, okay?
Yeah.
And we tired ourselves, and now we're at the point where we finally put on all 2 of them. They're finally sleeping, and I am finally getting to watch at least 1 YouTube video for the day. Alright? And Adrian finally finished doing what he's doing. So we're just vibing here.
Just chilling.
On the couch.
Yeah. So, I mean, guys, place there, you know what I mean, for the interested. One book, link will be in the description. You know what I say? Link is there. You know, book in advance. Days go by pretty quickly, so if you're not interested, just, you know, check out the link in the description and, you know, book. You see me? Yeah, man. So, thanks for watching as always, guys. You know, we there enjoy this thing. We don't know. You know what I mean? You know, along with the journey, you know it go. We finally get the opportunity to come down here, come spend 2 nights, you know. But of course, we kind of overstay our welcome now because we got guests coming tomorrow. Yeah, so we have got clear out, clean up, and sort out. Oh, also, the photographers will be coming in tomorrow as well. The photographer them are coming in tomorrow. We do the shoot to make the picture them look professional. You see me? The pictures that are up, that you don't see up on the page. I mean, there's some makeshift one we just put in for the time being because we never get no time. So we just get a 2-day, a 2-night slot right here. So we say we just come out for 2 nights, come check it out. You know what I mean? Cause you know you have an Airbnb space, you have to stay in at the place every so often, come chill out.
And then
you know?
What? When you staying in the place, it lets you know exactly what you should change, what you should add, how to improve it.
Exactly.
So when you have your space, you need to actually stay in
your space to see how
functionalities or compatibility.
To see how it will affect guests, you know? That is important. They're quite control measures.
That is it.
Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. You know what I mean? Leave us a thumbs up. Alright, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already.
Exactly. Turn on that post notification bell, put the setting
on all. Of course. Yeah guys, we out.